Good morning, y'all. Happy December and welcome to the December Christmas Swollenness. You know what I'm saying? If y'all been around YouTube, everything like that, you know a lot of YouTubers and everything do a lot of vlogging when it comes to this Christmas time. Basically like 25 days of vlogging, anything like that. And I have decided that this year, I'm gonna put my spin on it. You know what I'm saying? We have our swollathons here and there, but this year we're having a swollenness. We got a lot of things planned, a lot of things coming up in these next couple of weeks, and I figured this would be the perfect time to like take y'all throughout everything we got going on. We got graduation, we got my move, I'm getting grad pictures taken, a lot of stuff going on, and I just gotta share it with y'all. I gotta share it with y'all because y'all know me, man. I love to bring out that good content. So with that being said, I feel like I don't need to explain what's really going on. Just know that y'all about to be receiving a lot of content from me. I mean a lot of content. I can't guarantee y'all every single day because I am in school still. I got finals, I got everything like that going on, but I still want to take y'all through everything that I have going on. I may end up putting multiple days in one video. I may end up just doing like one video at a time, one day at a time, but I'll just let y'all know that I'm bringing y'all as much content as I can. I can't guarantee y'all every day, but just know we're gonna have a lot of content coming, all right? If I've been looking in the background, don't mind the state of my apartment. We're gonna get into what's over there a little bit later, but y'all can see I got my backpack on, so that means we're heading to class. I gotta get my haircut first, and I got some other things to do right before we go to class, so I'm up early. It's like 11 a.m. right now, but I want to come up here and brief y'all for what we got going on. So with that being said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to this video with a friend, and y'all be prepared to see a lot of me, man, because we got a lot coming, all right? We got a lot coming. Y'all stay tuned. And just like that, we made it over to our haircut appointment because as y'all can see, it's looking a little rough right now. It's looking rough. It's 10:59, my appointment's at 11, so let's go inside and get this fixed. And next time y'all see me, we're gonna be looking right. Oh yeah, and just like that, we are back in the game. My boy Eli always get me right with the cuts, man, here in Columbia. Sad that I'm gonna have to be going to a different barber, but my dog, you know what I'm saying, my dog Eric down in Houston, you know what I'm saying, he gonna be seeing me a lot more frequently because y'all know that move is set, you know what I'm saying. But for right now, we're supposed to be going to get my cap and gown because I ordered it a few weeks ago. I still haven't picked it up yet because I knew I wanted to record it when I go to pick it up because, you know, that's like a huge moment, you know what I'm saying. But it's like 11:52 right now. I got class at 12:30, so I can't even do it right now. So I'm about to head to class, but I usually skip my second class because the professor puts his lectures on Zoom, so there's no reason for me to be there. So after that, I'm gonna go pick up my cap and gown and take out in there, show you the bookstore and everything like that, and then we'll go from there. But for right now, I made sure I had to come show y'all the cut because if I didn't tell you already, I'm getting my grad pictures taken tomorrow. So if y'all seen, you know, me suit shopping with Cranen the other day in the last video, I'm actually getting the pictures done tomorrow. So I'm gonna take y'all through that as well. That's why this video is probably gonna be like today and tomorrow because there's not much going on today, but I wanted to make sure I put all of this process of me getting the get my grad cap and gown, get my pictures taken, the haircut, everything, that whole process. I want to make sure I document that here in one video. So that's what today's swollenness video is going to be about. But with that being said, I'm not trying to be late for class because we do only have like 2 days. Actually, let's talk about it right now because I got a little bit of time. Y'all realize I only got 7 days of class left, bro? It's what day? It's the 28th of November, right? I graduate on the 15th of December, but this week and next week are my last 2 weeks of class. I got class Monday through Thursday every day, and today is Tuesday. I get out of class. What am I talking about? I literally have class until Thursday this week because I don't have class on Fridays, and then next week got class till Thursday, and that's gonna be my last class and then there's finals week, and I only have one final to take. You know what I'm saying? Like, putting it in perspective like that, I know how it be feeling like stuff is so close, but it feels so far. Like it may be near when it seems so far, but like, dog, I'm telling you. It feel like time is finna just go at a standstill. I feel like these days are finna take so long just because I know what's coming and just because I know like I'm about to be done. I feel like everything is about to like go in slow motion, and I hope that's not the case because I'm trying to get out of here as soon as possible. If y'all didn't know, I got my move booked to Houston on the 17th. Cranen and them are coming up for my graduation, everything like that. I graduate on the 15th. They're coming to pick my car, my apartment, and pack everything up on the 17th. They give me Friday, the graduation day, to celebrate, Saturday to get shit ready, and Sunday my flight is at 6 p.m. I'm gone. I'm telling you, bro, I made it like this because there's nothing left for me here, bro. There's nothing left for me here. I have no reason to be here. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, it's really crazy to talk about it. It's really crazy to look back and think like y'all have literally been with me through this entire journey. Y'all have been with me from when I started content creation, and I've been in my school rec to going to my apartment, to being kicked out for recording, to going to Crunch, you know what I'm saying, to going to Iron House, to recording in my apartment gym, to now traveling and doing what we love to do. Like, it's been a crazy journey, and y'all have been here through the entire process. And that's why I say I can't thank y'all enough. You know what I'm saying? Y'all are literally the motivation to keep doing this shit, and y'all are literally the ones that have pushed me to this point and continue to push me to keep going, to be better and be better and be better. And this is something I want to talk about a little bit later, but like, obviously y'all can see we're having a little bit of success now when it comes to this fitness thing, right? And I'll talk about this more in depth later on. It may not be this video, maybe not, but it's on my mind right now, so I figured I might as well like touch on it a little bit. But I was having a conversation with somebody the other day, and they told me if I do the things that I was telling them I plan to do, that my supporters would no longer be able to relate to me. And that rubbed me the wrong way. One, I see it as envy, I see it as spite, I see it as somebody that's like preying on your downfall. And two, I see it as, if you couldn't relate to me and you couldn't, you know what I'm saying, resonate with the struggle and the come up and the grind it took to get here, if you could relate to all that and you can't relate to the success, you can't relate to the growth, you can't relate to me accomplishing the things that I set myself out to do, you're not a real supporter, bro. You're not a real supporter. No cap. Because if you was there when we was on the same level, if you was there when I was grinding my way up, nothing working for me, and I'm doing all these things to get to where I want to be, and you could relate to that because you may think you're in that same position, but now when you see somebody start having success, you see somebody start, you know, doing everything that they set out to do, and you telling me you can't relate to that, you was never a supporter in the first place, because you supported the fact that you could relate to me on a level. But because I surpassed your expectation, or because I surpassed what you expected of me or thought for me or perceived my future to be, you telling me you can't relate to that no more? Because I'm successful now, or because I'm having a little bit of success, having a little bit of motion, and doing the things that I set myself out to do, you telling me you can't relate to that no more? I don't know. I just thought that was interesting. But hearing things like that really show you that even the people that tell you they support you the most, in the back of their head, they don't want to see you win. They don't want to see you win. But because of that, we're going to continue to win. We're going to continue to put it in their face. We're going to continue to show them what it looked like to grind for your dreams and to make this shit happen. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that was my little soliloquy, my little monologue for today. So let's head to class so I'm not late. Y'all, we just made it back home. I went and got my cap and gown, and I promise you, bro, I have not been in my student center, let alone the bookstore in that school at Mizzou, bro, for I don't know how long. But we actually got our cap and gown. I don't even want to open it up yet because I got my graphics and stuff tomorrow. I'm gonna try it on later when I get back home just to see if everything fit. But like, going in there, obviously they had my order messed up. I was supposed to pick it up like last week. They damn near like refunded my shit, but I ended up getting it and everything. It's all good. And now we about to go ahead and put these wheels on. I was telling y'all to not worry about what we had going on right here, because I do have some things came in the mail. One thing I have been waiting to do to Venom is actually change the wheels. I haven't changed them on there because they were good enough to, you know, keep me going. They were all black already. Didn't really need nothing too crazy, but the time has come. The time has come. I wanted something a little nicer, something a little more fancier, put a little bit of sporty look on there. It looked too muscle right now, and I'm glad. So I'm gonna show you what they look like. I'm gonna show you what these right here look like. But these are some Vossen HF5 wheels, I do believe, and we're about to go get them put on right now. I'm not changing the tires or nothing like that. Really just swapping out the rims. I'll change the tires, and I'll think about lowering it once we actually get to Houston. But for right now, just to, you know, hold us over for the next 3 weeks and everything like that, I'm gonna go ahead and go put these on right here. So I'm about to unbox it right now and show you what they look like. But like I said, got our cap and gown and everything, and now we're about to figure out what we're about to do for the rest of the day. I know it's about to take an hour right here, and I'm about to go to the gym a little bit later, but it's Vlogmas, Swolemas, excuse me, Swolemas. So everything I do, y'all gonna see. So let's go ahead and unbox these right here so I can show y'all what these new rims looking like. All right, first impression of the new wheels. Whew. I ain't gonna lie. These is nice. These is nice. I got them ceramic coated already, so they got a little shine to it. You know what I'm saying? So when I put them on the car, they're gonna look real nice on there. But you can see just a different kind of look of the wheel. A little more sporty. You know what I'm saying? Granted, they are still black, but I'm excited to see what these look like on Venom. I'm not gonna lie to you. Sheesh. All right, let's go get these put on. So as y'all can see, y'all see what we got on there now, and y'all see what we about to put on there. So let's head over to the shop and get it done. I'm excited to see what these look like on the car because these is fire, bro. These is a lot more sporty. Many minutes later. I should have left. I've been here for like the past 2 hours. They told me it was gonna take an hour. I got here at 3 o'clock. It's like 5 o'clock. But they in there, they working. So I'm not mad about it, but I ordered Chick-fil-A. I was finna start doing work. I was finna start editing the video. I thought it was gonna be done. I could have went to the gym and came back. So I just hope it's worth it. They told me they're not liable for any damage to my wheels by putting them on. That's some bullshit. But we're just gonna pray and pray that nothing happens. Because if something does, it's gonna be a problem. But there's currently like 6 people right through there looking at my car. Y'all got all these machines in here. I'm literally like the only car left. Nobody's in here. Oh shit, I almost fell. You see how many cars is in here? 1 and mine over there. Nobody even looking at this one right here. You telling me y'all can't just get all hands on deck and knock these 4 wheels out? It's only 4. It's like 60 y'all in there. And they closing the garages. Like, yeah, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. But I'm gonna show y'all what it look like when it's done. And also, bro, earlier, all right, so y'all know I bought my car. It had an exhaust on it. The exhaust, for some reason, I feel like was old. I think it was old. So it cracked, I think. It happened earlier this year. It was making this noise, and I had to go get it welded together. So they told me that there was gonna be like a temporary fix. And now when they started it up while it was outside, I heard it again. So I think I'm gonna have to buy another exhaust. Which sucks. Because the problem is I could go to Ford and you know my car's under warranty. I can go to Ford, but he's gonna give me the Ford exhaust and I don't want that. So like I'm gonna have to buy, you know what I'm saying, another exhaust. So if they start it and I hear it again, I'm gonna show y'all, but for now, I'm searching up exhaust and talking to my people and I'm seeing if we can get some stuff done. But it looks like we're gonna have to get a new exhaust. But after we leave here, I'm about to take the car back over to the spot and get it welded again. But for now, here we are. 2 hours later, still waiting. All right, y'all, so it's all done. And as you can see, that shit is looking good. I cannot cap. Boy, that shit is looking good. My goodness. All right, so we finally made it home. It is late right now, but I still have to go work out. I'm doing either legs or back, whatever I feel like doing once I get there. But I'm not going to take y'all through this workout today because we are making this video about the graduation shoot. So that's going to be the end of it for today. But I'm going to see y'all tomorrow as the Swoleathon. I mean, the Swolemas. We got to get used to saying that. The Swolemas, as the Swolemas continues. All right. So y'all can see we outside right now. My boy CJ getting his grad shoot done.